maybe tomorrow afternoon. No, you go ahead.
What's going on, guys? We are about 45 minutes out from Assateague. Just ran into an accident, so we're on this back road. Where are we?
Town, right here.
Here we go.
That's Mama. Tim, how do you feel about the first Nick's Cove video in 7 months?
Dude, this is real.
This is real.
We are in the middle of nowhere.
This is big.
What's
But
the call,
we
guys?
made it. Tits out, brother.
First surf vlog.
Yeah.
Tim's up from PA.
Heavy.
Tim, I say we go up to the right.
All right. All right, so we got to go past this black flag first so we get out of the tourist way. Got about 2.5 hours here, boys.
So we're gonna get to it. Switching.
Long hair across the room, baby, she got that glow. I know you see me over here. Your friends are calling you, baby, stay with me instead. I know you're saying that you're tired, there's a little dance in your lip. Even if I go, I still think of you in my bed. Of a good time, good time, good time we had. The scent of your perfume has got me lost in a haze, and all this moment depends on the records that the DJ plays. Baby, move a little bit closer, 'cause I wanna feel you, babe. I wanna feel you, babe. Your friends are calling you, baby, stay with me instead. I know you're saying that you're tired, there's a little dance in your lip. Even if I go, I still think of you in my bed. Of a good time, good time, good time we had.
That's the surf trip with Cam. Tim, we just dropped Tim off. So Tim's board got a small ding from my shin, and but it's okay. He can fix it himself, so that's good. But super fun sesh, super nice day. Boys all had fun. Cam, Stove.
Yeah.
Good trip, brother.
All right, brother.
All right, guys. Signing out. First GoPro surf vlog. Skoo!